Offered for sale is a 2017 Ford Transit T-350 bucket van equipped with a Versalift Vantel 29Ne-01 telescopic aerial lift, a rare and highly versatile configuration designed for telecommunications, electrical service, lighting maintenance, and sign installation work. This Class 2 light-duty aerial service vehicle is powered by a Ford 3.7-liter Ti-VCT DOHC 24-valve gasoline engine producing 275 horsepower and paired with a Ford SelectShift 6-speed automatic transmission and 4x2 drivetrain. The engine is a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder configuration and runs on gasoline with a 25-gallon fuel capacity. The van rides on spring suspension with hydraulic brakes and features a single rear axle configuration. It carries a 9,500-pound GVWR, supported by a 4,130-pound front axle rating and 5,515-pound rear axle rating, along with a 148-inch wheelbase and steel wheels. The aerial device is a Versalift Vantel 29Ne-01, serial number BW170005. An end-mounted telescopic boom system designed specifically for van applications. The lift provides a maximum working height of 34 feet 10 inches, 29 feet 10 inches of side reach, and 22 feet 7 inches of platform height. The single-man platform is rated at 350 pounds capacity. The boom features hydraulic operation with a mechanical control system and includes a backup hydraulic pump for emergency lowering. The unit does not include insulation or outriggers and is designed for efficient operation in urban and confined environments. Finished in white with a black regular cab interior, this transit bucket van is equipped with AC, cruise control, power windows, and power locks. Additional features include rear-view camera and documented service history with a clean Carfax report. The aerial system shows only 801 operating hours, and the vehicle is described as being in extra clean condition and ready to go directly to work.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.